Hey lovelies, and welcome back once again to my channel. Alright, so in case you're new here, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Alright, now before I dive right into what I have to discuss with you guys here on today's video, I ask you to please make sure you subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up. Share this video to your friend, and then follow me on my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook pages as well. Alright, now in case I look to this side instead of to that side, please, that's exactly where my camera is facing. Yay, that's light. Okay, the verse of today is this, and yes, of course, if you're a Christian, join me as we say a little prayer before I dive right into what I have to share with you guys. Amen. About secrets for a radiant complexion. If you're looking for the best budget complexion kits for a glowing skin, now this video I'm actually going to talk about caramel skin, fair skin, dark skin. Yes, these are all different kinds of complexions, right? Now I'm going to talk about them and the kind of products, the kits, the kind of things you should use. Whether you're a caramel skin, a fair skin, a dark skin person, this video is for you. You do not need to skip away. You do not need to, say, oh, this is not just your type. This is your type, especially if you're on a journey to get that glow back, to have that radiance back. So let's talk about all the products you would actually need if you want to stay on budget, and products particularly for these complexions I just mentioned. Now the first complexion I'm going to talk about is the fair skin complexion. Now if you're a fair skin person or a fair skin goddess, you first have to understand that if you want to be on a budget, specifically in this Sapa season, yes, this season of, you guys know what the economy is saying. If you're in Nigeria, now you need your body lotion, an affordable body lotion. You also need a bar soap, an affordable bar soap. You also need a body polish, an affordable body polish. Yeah, first body lotion I'm actually going to suggest you try out if you're on a budget, especially if you're a fair skin goddess or fair skin complexion like me, is the Nivea Even and Radiance. Now this body lotion, I've done a review about it. I am not going to talk too much. Check it out. I'm going to leave the link somewhere. Just click on the link and go straight ahead and watch the video. Check it out. Here on this video today, this body lotion is recommended or suggested for a fair skin complexion or a fair skin goddess. It's on the list of body lotions that are quite affordable. This is around 3,000. Now the Nivea is around 3,000 naira or 4,000 naira. While this one, the next one on the list, is the Gavia Carrot body lotion. Now the Gavia Carrot body lotion is actually trending right now. It even has a liquid body wash. This is actually another suggested affordable body lotion on the list for a fair complexion person. There's actually a whole lot of affordable body lotions, but we're looking at things that do not have hydroquinone, especially if you're trying to avoid hydroquinone, that contains vitamin C at the same time that contains other brightening elements in them. So these two body lotions I suggest if you want to stay on budget and if you just want something that is safe for your skin. On the list is the tablet soap, yes, the bar soap. Ashanti Papaya is another nice soap on the list. Now I'm going to be reviewing the Nano Vitamin C bar soap. Please get the original, the fakes are out there. I've used this bar soap and I've been back and forth on it. Now the Ashanti Papaya soap is nice. The Nano Carrot soap is also nice. This contains vitamin C and all that good stuff. I reviewed the Ashanti Papaya soap. I'm going to still leave the link of that video down below, so check it out if you want more information concerning that product. And when it comes to a body polish for a fair skin person or a fair complexion chick, the Dove Pomegranate body polish is something else you should try out. We've talked about complexion kits for a fair skin. Now let's talk about complexion kits for my caramel goddesses out there. Actually a variety of body lotions for your skin, but I'm just going to tell you a few of my favorite ones here on today's video. The first soap you should actually consider trying out for a caramel skin is Ole Bar soap. It contains niacinamide, and niacinamide is vitamin B3, which is actually very, very nice. Now a fair skin person can also try this because of the moisturizing properties contained in it, as well as the vitamin B3 ingredients. So yeah, As a caramel skin person, you're literally not trying to do extra, just want to maintain your color and make it pop. Now the next on the list is the body lotions. Now number one on my list is the Nivea Radiant Body Lotion. Now the Nivea Radiant Body Lotion is nice, contains avocado extract, macadamia and all those good stuffs which will help moisturize, plump and maintain your complexion as well as brighten it. Now you're not looking for the white effect, you're just looking at making your complexion look rich, and that's just like this picture right here. This is what the caramel complexion kit is exactly. This is what it should actually give you. So if you're using something else that is not giving you this kind of popping amazing color, that is not actually helping your caramel complexion or giving you this kind of look, sweetheart, discontinue and start doing your research to improve. Okay, the next thing on the list you need as a caramel complexion person is Dove shea butter and sugar scrub. Now actually it's a body polish, you can try it as well, it is nice. Now if you don't want to do sugar scrubs, coffee scrubs, you can go in for body polishes. They will really help. All right, so for my dark skin queens right here, now being a dark skin person, you have to know this. You're not trying to bleach your skin, you're not trying to whiten your skin, you're actually trying to maintain your complexion, make it pop, make it glow. Now there are many dark skin or dark complexion actresses and superstars out there. Number one is the Lupita Nyong'o, I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly, and quite a lot of other sweet actors and actresses that are dark in complexion. Take a look at these pictures. You see how they glow, you see how they pop. Yes, that is what you should be looking at for. Is exactly the kind of inspiration you should have for your dark complexion. Yes, now listen up, we're talking about bar soaps as well, body polishes as well, body lotions as well. All products on a low maintenance, low budget, affordability that will help you, especially if you're not trying to break the bank, you're trying to stay on a budget, especially in this Sakba season. Nivea Nourishing Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. Yes. The next on the list is the Gavia Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, as well as the Gavia Cocoa Butter Body Wash. Now I have that on in my bathroom, but I cannot take you guys there right now. But I'm going to leave a picture of the Gavia liquid body wash. I will definitely come up with a review. I'm going to share with you guys a lot about the product. Yes. Now this particular body wash is something you can use, especially if you want a moisturized skin. It has a lot of moisturizing properties in it. It does moisturize the skin. It does leave your skin glow. So this body wash is actually nice. A caramel skin person can try it as well. Now the next on the list is for the body lotion, the Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion, as well as the Gavia Shea Butter Body Lotion. Yes. Now these body lotions are amazing and they will definitely help your dark skin pop. They'll make it glow, they'll make it shine. Body polish. Now in case you don't want to do coffee scrub, I highly suggest the Veet coffee scrub for you, and then of course pair it with your body oil. Body oils like Dr. Teal's shea butter oil is also nice for a dark skin person. St. Ives apricot scrub, I'm going to leave a picture. This is also nice for you. I've come to the end of this amazing video. Always remember that the joy of the Lord is your strength. And once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you show your sweetheart me some love by subscribing down below and giving the video a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video and make sure you always watch videos till the end so you don't miss any important information that I have to share here on this channel. Alright, I love you. See you in another one. God bless you and bye. Please, before I say bye, oh my goodness, please make sure you leave a comment down below in case you've tried any of these products. Okay, alright.